My name is Wojciech Rusin. I live in London, and I compose music and perform music sometimes. Sometimes it's electronic, sometimes it's mixed with more kind of classical ensembles. I use 3D printed wind instruments in my practice. I use them solo or sometimes with ensembles. They were part of my sort of research about speculative music traditions.
My name is Eliot Duran. I am a member of the Fab Lab. What I do here is 3D printing. So I come from drawing, and I discovered 3D softwares. Here mostly I 3D print models that I sculpt on my computer. So I am inspired by different things related to art history, like medieval sculptures and Baroque, etc.
The workshop was exploring 3D printed wind instruments and graphic notation. So we were looking at designs that I brought from the UK, that I worked on for quite a while now, and we were exploring tonality of the instrument, so trying to make different tunings or micro tunings. We were also exploring the aesthetics of the instruments by designing parts in 3D software.
The goal of the workshop was for everybody to build their own flutes and to go to the whole process of sculpting on the computer and to print, so to have a global view of the process, and also to interact with the instruments.
I think quite quickly we realized that everyone has their own ideas and everyone wants to take the research into their own direction. So I think the plans that I had at the beginning, which were quite minimal in a way, have been sort of abandoned, and we lifted off in different directions.
Somebody in the workshop wanted to have to sculpt guts, internal. Really medical weird imaginary, another one had some really graphical ideas, really straight, really pure. I like the fact that we bring something from our person into this kind of and try to tell the machines to do something with it.
You need time. I mean, the more time you have, the better, because then if you want to print a little thing and then test if this works, you obviously have some excitement about, okay, let's test this thing, and then you design it and you send it to the printer, and then you have to wait for 3 hours.
Yeah, each time you finish it and you're like, okay, does it plug right? Does it make a sound? And so I love this process to do and fail and do again.
It was quite exciting. I was very excited because I found a set of new scalpels, and I cut my finger twice, which was fun. I don't know, really.
Wojciech is really human and really fun. It was 2 really cool days.